Today, we are going to be talking about what we are seeing now that we are midway through the spring market. We're approaching the end of March, and our spring market here in Minnesota runs traditionally from about mid-February to the end of May. And at this point, we are in the middle of that ever-changing season where we have snow one day, shorts and t-shirts the next. We have photography sessions with sellers that run the gamut of snow or tulips coming up. And so we are in that phase of the market. So let's talk a little bit about what a seller should do to prepare.
First thing, if you have any spring or summer photos from a previous year or even fall, just anything with some green and some color, it's always nice to have those on hand. And I know we shoot videos in the fall just regarding usually the one tip that a seller can do is maybe have some of those pictures taken and just have those on hand for listing in the spring in Minnesota.
Yeah. And sometimes sellers worry if they don't have photos like that. It's okay. No need to worry. If you have them though, it really is a nice supplement to the listing because it can show a buyer what the potential for the landscape and maybe the privacy screen, if you have a lot of trees, what that can be if you have some of those tree photos. That said, let's get a little bit into the activity. Right now, we are seeing a lot of seller activity. A lot of sellers are preparing to get their houses on the market. We are seeing more inventory coming on the market. And with that, buyers are starting to have a few more options to choose from.
And from what we're talking with buyers on is they are being more patient.
Yes.
That is a fact of the market. They feel that they don't have to make a decision in one day when they see a house. It is happening though, where homes are selling very quick, but in general, it's not. We're also seeing buyers that are maybe a little less concerned about interest rate movement. We've been fairly steady for a period of time here, and we're just seeing what we're seeing from buyers is a little less of that and more trying to find the right home at the right time.
And they're taking their time doing it.
Yes.
So, and from a seller standpoint, sellers are used to things happening very rapidly. Right now, a little patience is key. If we can answer any other questions for you, let us know. Thanks for watching our video and have a great day.